You can't tell me this look does not eat. Come on, OG makeup videos. Like, so first things first, I obviously did my base off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm actually going to put on ColourPop Cosmetics liquid blush. This one is in the shade Wildest Dreams, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, if you guys want to see an unboxing of what they got me, okay, if you're watching this video right now and you don't know about the whole ColourPop brand trip thing, then you might want to go watch that video just so you have like a notion. Ooh, that's pigmented. What's kind of been going on with that. I will say they sent me some lovely goodies, so if you want to see an unboxing, let me know. Some of the things you're going to see in this video. They also sent me a brush set, and it's a pretty big brush set. I'm going to use the ColourPop F32 brush. I like the density on this, and I'm actually going to use it to blend up my blush, only because I feel like, whoa, hello. Oh, she's pigmented, but I wanted to use this brush because I felt like it was going to give me a nice airbrush finish, and she did. Ooh, baby girl is pigmented. You only need a dot, and when I say a dot, like that's a big dot. You only need like the pinky nail of a dot. This is gorgeous though. I'm in love with this. But like I said, let me know down in the comments down below if you want to see the full unboxing of what ColourPop sent me, because I wasn't able to make my very first brand trip. Let me know, let me know. But like I said, we're gonna move on. I'm using Wildest Dreams, their liquid blush. As you can see, she's very, very pigmented. I'm a blush girly, so I'm actually okay with this. I'm really liking this. I know fall time is creeping in and we love to do fall looks already, but I don't think I'm ready to do a fall look just yet, only because it's still technically summer. I don't think fall kicks in until I think September 23rd, and I'm not really rushing her. I'm gonna go back out and blend out my concealer just so that way she's not creasing, because I'm actually about to set her. But yeah, I want to do a fall look, but that's another thing, let me know if you guys want to see that. I mean, I intend on doing it anyway, but let me know if you guys feel like, girl, we don't care what time of the year, drop that fall look. All right, so now that we have that up there, I'm gonna go in with my Timeless Beauty concealer, and I'm gonna set the base for the eyeshadow. I feel like as the makeup community, I really want us to get back into fun makeup looks. Like, we dove into soft glams and we stayed there for a long time, and I feel like it's just time to get back to the colorful makeup looks, like seriously. And then another thing that I realized too, once people started realizing they can get paid for content, people really like went way left, and it became less about quality content and more about, all right, I'm trying to make money off of this. Like, all of a sudden these Instagram, YouTube, TikTok gurus popped up with workbooks, and then all these other people popped up with, I can tell you how to make millions or thousands, turn your hobby into a, oh my gosh. Can people just have a hobby? Like, maybe these people don't want to turn their hobbies into a source of income, because I'm not gonna lie, for some people, yeah, they might want to be like, why not? I enjoy doing it. But for others, it's like, my hobby that was an outlet for me went from being something that was enjoyable to now I stress out about it because now I'm not making as much as I want to, or, you know, now I got to keep up with demand. Like, no, can we just make content because we enjoy it again? Like, I feel like everybody's in it now just for the money. And if that's your prerogative, that's your prerogative. But I guess for me personally, I'm just tired of seeing it because it makes it harder for smaller content creators who are actually trying to make a name for themselves and actually like get out there to establish themselves, because it's so saturated with people that don't actually care about what they're doing. But I'm going to go into the ColourPop 1111 palette, and I really like this one because it gave me the vibes of my hair, and she's just super duper gorgeous, and she's full of cool tones too, I will say that. But she's so gorgeous, and it's taking everything in me not to use every color in here, but I'm thinking I'm gonna use this whole bottom row and then one of these shimmer shades, but this Reflect is really sticking out to me. My transition shade, I'm gonna go in with the E22 brush, and she's fluffy but she's concentrated, and I'm gonna take Right Path right in there. I want to get back to a time when creating makeup looks, it was fun. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but I used to get on YouTube and like deep dive into the makeup looks. Like, I really used to be like, wow, like people are doing this. And this is before I even looked at them as celebrities. Like, And it's funny because before they were looked at as celebrities, I looked at them as celebrities because I was just like, what they're doing is so cool. And it was just as simple as this. Like, they're setting up a camera, taking the best makeup products out there, and just creating looks, like creating a safe space for girlies that love makeup, for people that love to be creative. Like, I really feel like that was a time to be alive, to be in that era where, you know, the American Influencer Awards was really popping, and they were choosing people to be like, hey, you know, you're a creator of the year. And they had different categories too. They had ones like emerging creator, emerging makeup artist, like stuff like that. Like, it was different. It was different subcomponents of this award show, and it gave me hope, because I was like, you know, you can be acknowledged for something that you love doing. And I love it now because I'm actually building a community of people who just genuinely just enjoy sitting down, doing their makeup, and just talking about life. Like, that's my thing. I really love that. I really love this color too, by the way. This color is super duper pretty. I feel like we actually enjoyed ourselves back then. Like, when we got post notifications, oh, we would run to YouTube to see what the next look was with BH Cosmetics, or like when PR packages were like humongous, and that was like the show of it. Like, they're like, look at this PR package, look what it came. Like, ugh, that time frame was so fun. All right, so now I'm gonna take Empowered, and I'm going to put that in my crease. And if I have to do it single-handedly, even though I know it's not single-handedly, because there's definitely still other creators out here that are doing the same thing I'm doing. They're just smaller creators, and they're trying to make their footprint on this huge platform called YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or wherever they're posting at. Me primarily on YouTube, just because I feel like I create my space on here. Like, I create the energy on here. You can do the same on your other platforms too, with what you follow and what type of content you like. But I just feel like with my YouTube channel, it's just very inviting. Like, it's not no gossip and stuff on here. It's none of that. We're not doing that. Like, it's just strictly about girls being girls, sitting together and just doing their makeup. I hope that the beauty community can get back to that. And then I hope that color cosmetics actually comes back into play, because these soft glam looks are getting boring. All right, so now that I have that in here, I'm gonna blend that out into my transition shade. I'm thinking I don't really want to do like a cut crease. I think I'll probably just do like a soft version of it, just because I don't feel like doing all the extras. I really don't. And I don't feel like this look needs that kind of look, but then again, I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna take Divine, which is that darker shade at the bottom. It has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm really going to like look up and yeah, just really push it in there. And I'm not gonna like go back into it again and pick up more product, because she's very pigmented. I just want to keep her where she is. And then once I get her in there, I'm gonna take a clean brush, and then I'm gonna diffuse her out. I'm gonna take the F27 brush, and I'm just going to buff out the edges, strictly the edges. Like, I'm not even trying to really go in my crease and take any of that product out, but I do want her up some more, like so. I need her to be a little bit more noticeable, so we're gonna bring her up some. So let's see what other shimmer shades are in here. So I like Major Change, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on the lid. Major Change, because I was gonna do with the gold, but I feel like the gold isn't going to accent it the way I want it to. Like, I'm really liking the look that it's giving me right now. And I'm gonna take the ColourPop E26 brush. I'm gonna spray her with a primer, setting spray. Ooh, Total Angel. I'm thinking I might put that on the inner corner. So it's actually really cute. I've never really used a white shimmer shade before. I'm liking the way it's picking up too. Tap it off like that. Just wait till I rub this on here. Oh, she's taking it. She's taking it. I think I'm in love, guys. This is super duper pretty. I really like this. Like, talk about the payoff on her too. She is like letting me have it right now. Just super cute. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Like I said, I'm gonna go into Total Angel and put her in the inner corner, just because why not? It just looks super cute. And I'm focusing it primarily on my lid. I normally take it above, so that way you can like really define like this crease, but I'm not trying to do that because I don't want to go over the darker shade that's in here. I want that shade to stay prominent. And then I'm gonna take Total Angel. I probably should have sprayed her some more, but I'm not really worried. Yep, she didn't need it. She's like an it girl on her own. She was like, I got this. You don't gotta spray me with nothing. Super cute. And then I'm just gonna take the darker shade again in my transition shade and kind of make like an ombre effect, because it's giving like soft cut crease, and I really like her. Then we're gonna go back into let's do Right Path, and I'm gonna pat her on like right on the outside. So this is where color theory comes in, because y'all can see like now that I'm using Right Path, she looks more brown on here on top of this glitter pigment. But when I was putting her in my transition shade, she was definitely giving like a brownish gray. But I love her. She's super cute. I'm gonna go back and look Empowered now, and I'm just going to press her on the outside because she's a little darker. Nothing too crazy. And then let's get into Divine. Yeah, this palette is super duper juicy. Like, she's super cute. Okay, so I have these tried and true gel liners, and it's some beautiful colors in here. Really beautiful colors. Where'd the color name go? I just saw the color name. Retweaking. That's so crazy. This one. Okay, so all of these have like names on them, clearly, but I think they forgot to put a color name on this one. That's crazy. But I'm going to use these two. I'm going to put the lighter one on the inner corner, and then I'm just going to put the darker one on the outer corner. I don't know, this like bronze, like this copper colored one is super pretty. Like, I'm actually dragging her out a little bit more. It's the one that does not have a name on it, and they need to put the name on her because I actually really like this one. So real quick, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm gonna come back to you guys for the lips. Oh, I lied, I had to come back real quick because I actually want to do some liner on my top lid and kind of smoke her out in there, but I'm going to use a gel liner again from ColourPop. Now I'm going to take her all the way in. I'm just going to kind of like angle her down, and then I'm going to find a brush and like smoke it out into the darker shade on the outer corner. Oh, and she blends seamlessly too. This is really nice. This gel liner is everything. Like, you know how sometimes when you want to like blend out a liner or a gel liner, it just drags all across the makeup and it ruins the look? No, this right here, she's doing exactly what needs to be done. Perfection. Okay, so now I always realize, like, when I'm really feeling my makeup, my personality comes out. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do, like I said, my lashes. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do the lips. Now I'm excited. Okay, so we're back. Now let's move on to the fun part, which will be the lips. And also everything that I use will be mentioned in the description box. I promise to do it this time. Like, I know I be tweaking sometimes and I don't actually put it in there, but that's because I be forgetting when I do everything else, but we're not gonna do it this time. All right, so so first thing first, let's start off with the So Defined, So Plump, So Juicy Plumping Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Jaguar. Which shade is it? Because I really like this one already. I didn't even swipe it on all the way. Jaguar. She's really creamy. She smells minty. Maybe that's the plumping effect. Like, she smells like a candy cane. Like, she's so good you almost don't even need to use like a lip gloss or a plumper overneath. Like, she's just really pretty. Baby girl glides, and I like that for me. I can feel her working already. So next up, I have dough, but I don't want my lip to be this dark. So we're gonna go into in the nude, and I'm gonna choose a color in here. I'm really liking the first two. So this one is Dream and the other one is Sure Thing. Sure Thing looks cute. Nah, I'm gonna go for Dream. Dream is really pretty. Make sure to put her back where she belongs. And we're gonna go ahead and push her up. This is what she looks like. Maybe I don't need to drag or nothing. Maybe I could just tap. I'm gonna drag it, I don't care. Oh, she smells like candy. Oh, she's super pretty too. That is freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I didn't even need any more, but I can't help it because she's super pretty. This is a new fave. So now we have It's a Date, and this is the So Glossy, So Plump, So Juicy. Well, that's that's the slogan on it, but it's a So Juicy Plumping Gloss with Oil. I might have to do a series on the lip combos in here. This is really cute. All right, so now we have It's a Date, and she's also like a nudish brown looking color. She smells like a peppermint. Ooh, ooh! Now that's some loose juice, girl. Let's see what she's looking like. Oh, she just glides. Oh my gosh. I just got excited, y'all. Oh, this is so pretty. Now, I'm scared to pull her out this package because she going there thick. But the way she's like just gliding. Oh my goodness. I feel like the guy from well, that bird from Angry Birds. Oh my gosh. Like,
oh my god. Oh my god.
This, baby, honestly, and this is the look. Like, I'm actually done, but the lip is what's sending me. For one, my lips smell divine right now. The combo. So I use Jaguar, Dreamy or Dream, and It's a Date. Wow. I am actually in love with the way this look turned out. Like, this is super duper cute. I like it. I like this look a lot. I like this look. And if you do too, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite product was in this, because I'll be listening to as well. Also, don't forget to let me know if you guys want to see an unboxing and if you want to see some more lip combo videos, because this one actually ate and I'm shook it. And I might just go down the road and like just do like a Russian roulette of lips. But this is really, really pretty. Like, especially coming back from my TikTok video where my lips look like a booty hole and I was sucking on that going sour apple green blow pop. So this is the lip that I'm used to, but this is so cute. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Stay on my channel, find some more videos, get to know your girl so I can get to know you, because we're gonna be locked in. You're locked in now, you're in here watching. But yeah, that is it for this look, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.